In this video, we will introduce the Authoring Copilot, an AI-powered feature in SLS designed to enhance your quiz creation experience. We'll focus on how to use the ACP, which connects to a knowledge base, to create customized quizzes. Let's navigate to SLS and explore the quiz creation process. In the quiz interface, simply click the ACP button to get started. This enables you to provide specific instructions to the Authoring Copilot, which leverages a knowledge base for content generation. Here is the knowledge base. For instance, SLS allows you to upload a PDF document. Once uploaded, you can use it alone or alongside other sources. With the PDF, you can generate questions by selecting options like the content map and subject, student level. This helps you create well-structured, targeted questions. A sample prompt might look like this. In this case, the clearer your instructions, the better the outcome. For example, you need to tag the subject, level, and content map accurately with higher precision. There's a section for additional details called Instructions for ACP, where you need to provide clear guidelines. These instructions will help the ACP AI perform the task correctly. As a best practice, always work with 10 questions at a time. To do a word-for-word duplication. And avoid changing the order of the options. It's also important to include exactly 4 options for each question. Providing these details help the AI make fewer mistakes and ensure that the AI generates content accurately with more precision. When generating questions, I've found that using a PDF is a suitable approach for creating variants to the knowledge base, like generating different questions similar to the knowledge base sample questions. The PDF format allows the AI to generate slightly different questions effectively. Then, click Create and proceed through the creation process. You can also narrow down the specific pages within the PDF to help the AI provide more targeted questions. What if your intention is to create an exact copy of the knowledge base? You can actually use the text from the PDF, copy it, and paste it. Wherever parts are incorrectly captured, use the Upload File feature to replace them with images. After replacing the images, the final result will look almost exactly as you want it to, thanks to ACP's image processing capabilities. For questions 1, 2, and so on, you can see that the knowledge base comprises text taken from the PDF and images, as the copy and paste method did not work perfectly. You can now create a suitably accurate copy of the question. Click Create and see what happens. While AI significantly reduces the monotony of repetitive tasks like copying and pasting, it is essential to remember that AI is prone to errors. We must remain actively involved to ensure the answers provided are accurate, by keeping the human in the loop.